Now, we are going to have a look at some words that are synonyms. Our first word, baffle. Baffle. Baffle means confused. Confused and baffle mean the same thing, but are different words. Up next, we have happy. Happy. Happy can be joyful, content, upbeat. Those are words that you can also use instead of using happy. We also have fair. Fair. Fair is also just, objective, impartial, unbiased. One more time. Just, objective, impartial, unbiased. Those words also mean fair. There are a lot of other words that also are synonyms, like hardworking. A synonym for hardworking is diligent, determined, industrious. Now, if you are looking for a job, saying you are hardworking is very good. But you can also use diligent.
Oh, yeah!
I am a diligent worker. I am a determined worker. All these synonyms can make how you say your sentences a lot more complex, yet mean something very simple.